we're gonna go salmon. And you guys told me you don't have time to food prep, right? Okay, a little bit of olive oil. Now, salmon is already a fatty type of fish, so we don't need a lot. There's different ways you can make this. You can make this and you can wrap it and put it on the barbecue, or you can also put it in the oven. We're gonna put a little bit of black pepper. Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit of lemon. Okay, I'm gonna go with a little bit of sea salt. Now in the restaurants, they actually put butter on the salmon and they make it really, really juicy. We're not gonna add butter because we don't need the excess of fat on it. What we can do though is I can move some of this stuff around. I'm gonna cut some easy lemon wedges to put them on the side of it so that way when we're baking it, this will release all that flavor into your meal. Okay. Always remember when you're cutting stuff, guys, you want to make sure you grab the item with a claw grip so you don't cut your fingers. Rule number one, you claw grip your items. You don't just grab your items so you don't chop a finger. We're gonna slice this down nice and thin. 1, 2, 3, we'll put one more of them. Boom, okay, finito, done. Our salmon now, instead of baking it, we're gonna throw it right on there. It can cook nice and slow. And I'm gonna close in this area so that it gets most heat locked in. Put that right there. If I come over here, this thing's gonna be almost ready. Look at that. Okay, I'm gonna cover it up again. Put it back on.